And this is how you enter the lobby and get started with Tru2X. So you're new to Tru2X, and you want to get started by depositing Pulse and earning yield. It's very simple by entering into the lobby of the system. Up here, we're on the lobby page. If you scroll down, you'll see a gray Genesis card in the portal section. Here, there's a line through it with no ID. So if this is your first time interacting with Tru2X, you'll need to make a deposit by entering the lobby. By clicking the Enter Lobby button, the screen will pop up, and then you can put up to over 50,000 Pulse in to get started. Click Enter Lobby and confirm, and your deposit will be registered and a number will be assigned to your card showing that you are registered and that deposit has been made into the system. And that deposit looks something like this. So deposit was made, and my Genesis card is now assigned a unique ID for my wallet. And what I deposited shows up here in the Universal Hub Ledger how much Pulse was deposited. And because this is the day we're depositing, it is put on the wait list. And it's on the wait list because Tru2X works on a 24-hour cycle. So we have 19 hours and 30 minutes before the day changes. So it will sit here and wait until that time comes. And this is the list view, but there's also a grid view. Now, if I wanted to add more Pulse or increase my deposit for any given day, I can by simply adding more Pulse here as well. Clicking the button, typing in what I want to add, enter lobby and confirm, and then my Pulse deposit will go up. And this is how you enter the lobby and get started with Tru2X.